Auto PDR Paintless Dent Repair Kit, 75 pieces car dent remover tools, comes with suction cup dent puller, repairs 99% of dents on car body, removing include big dents, small dents, dings, and hail damage. If you are looking for the best paintless dent repair kit to use, then look no further. Auto PDR Paintless Dent Repair Kit is available for you to purchase on Amazon. They only cost $49.99. Auto PDR Dent Puller Kit contains all tools needed to car dent repair. We are experts in repairing car dents. Our car dent repair tools can remove 99% of your car's dents in 30 minutes. Whether you are a novice or a professional, you can easily complete the car dent repair work. It is 100% paintless dent removal. The bottom of the bridge dent puller and dent lifter are made of rubber and will not damage the original paint. After the dent removal tool pulls out the dent, spray alcohol with a concentration of 90% or more on the remaining glue. The glue residue can be completely removed without damaging your original paint. Different from most dent repair kit in the market, we have added a new suction cup dent puller on the basis of the original package, suitable for repairing some large dents. We also provide 46 pieces puller tabs with different shapes, different size, which are thickened and not easy to break. At the same time, the adhesion of our glue sticks is strengthened, and it is applicable to the removal of the dents in the hard position of the auto body. Our dent repair tools are suitable for all different sizes of dents. Dent lifter can repair 1 to 4 inches of dents. It comes with adjustable rubber foot pads, which can not only adjust the width and height at will, but will also prevent skidding and protect your car paint from damage. Bridge dent puller can repair dents within 7 inches. Our 2-in-1 T-bar puller can be used for almost big dents. Also, it can be disassembled into short T-bar puller for use, which is very convenient and effective. What are you waiting for? Get yours now. The link will be in the description for you to check out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this.